This is Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be working on a 2005 Toyota RAV4. We're going to be doing the oil change. Drain bolt's going to be a 14. You're going to change the crush washer. Install your new one. Reinstall the drain plug. Then you're going to want to snug it up, not too tight. We're going to be using an oil filter wrench to remove the filter. You're going to find your oil filter right there. Right, oil's going to come out, just spin it off a little bit, let the oil drain. It's about done. Get a rag. Get a rag, paper towel. Use a little brake spray and clean the face where the gasket for the oil filter sits. You want to get that nice and clean. Get a little oil, put it on the gasket. You're going to install your oil filter and spin it on. Once the gasket starts touching, you're going to spin it about another 180 to 3/4 of a turn. Not super tight. And that's it. The RAV4 calls for 4 quarts of 5W30 oil. You're going to check the dipstick, wipe it off, pop it back, check it, make sure you're up to the full line, right there. The maintenance light isn't on this car, but you're still going to want to reset it. We don't want it coming on the customer 1,000 miles down the road. What you're going to do is make sure you show your odometer is shown. So not trip A, not trip B. Make sure it's the odometer. Go ahead, turn the car off. You're gonna hold this button down, turn the key to on, and let those dashes come all the way down to nothing. There you go. And it's all reset. And you're good to go. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.